In this video, I'm going to show you the additive method. Using the additive method, you start with something small and you add on to it. You have to start with some sort of box. So the steps for making a box are you start with the rectangular base. So I'm just going to put in a base of 1 1/2 inches. 1 1/2 inches followed by 1 1/2 inches. Make sure your numbers are typed in, then go ahead and click enter and your sketch will show up. Then again, to make the box 3D, you go ahead and you click the push pull button. You click once, and then as a reminder, then you can type in your value. So I want to make it just 3/4 of an inch for the height. Once you have your value, click enter and it will make the box that you want to start with. For the additive method, the very next step after you have the box is you draw a sketch on the object where you want to add on. So in this particular case, I'm going to add on a rectangle that's half the size. So I'll make a sketch actually on the surface. The nice thing about sketching on a surface is it tells you where you're at. So if you want to add it on the end point, it's green. If it's the midpoint, it's blue, and then anywhere else is red. But I want to start on one of the endpoints, and then I'm going to sketch across to the midpoint because I know what I want to sketch is a rectangle that's half the size of the box I have. So I click again when I'm ready, and then I have the sketch that I want to push or pull. So I want to pull it. You click once, then you type the value, 3/4 of an inch is the height I want. Click enter, and I have a 3D object that's complete to the size that I want using the additive method. To rotate around, make sure you use the scroll device. I always like to go back to the select tool just to be safe. Click on the scroll device and you can spin around and see that there's no extra lines. It looks just like an isometric sketch all the way around. No extra lines. You have a completed object using the additive method.